Hello, in front of me I've got PowerLocus P1. In this video I'll show you how to manage controls. In the beginning, turn on your headphones and take a look at the right ear cup. Right here we've got the button, thanks to which we can turn on and off our headphones, enable pairing mode, and play pause. Also, if you are switched to FM, we can enable auto search radio function. Next we've got the volume down button. If we short press it, and if we long press it, we've got last song button. Next we've got volume up button if we short press it, and next if we long press it, we've got next song. Next we've got the MP3 FM source change button, and answer and calls, reject calls, and last number redial button. Then right here we've got the SD card slot, micro USB charging port, headphones jack, and microphone. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.